Here in front of us is my Airvo 2. I'm going to show you the components that come with it and how to set it up. First off, we have our machine, my Airvo 2. This here is your 600 milliliter chamber. And there is a drip chamber, but we don't use that here at Montgomery DME. I'll talk about that more in troubleshooting. Next up is going to be your heated breathing tube. You're going to notice that there are two ends that are different. One will go in the machine, the other one will go into the interface. This interface here is your nasal cannula, size medium. There is small, medium, and large for this interface. Next up, if you need supplemental oxygen, we have your 7-foot oxygen tubing. And to follow is your Y connector. It's time to put this together. So take your chamber out, tilt it down, grab some distilled water, and let's pretend this is distilled water. And pour this all the way to the black line. Again, I'm just being a little lazy, but it should be up there. Now push your collar down, navigate this back into the machine, and it should click inside. Next up, let's grab your heated breathing tube, also known as your circuit. So both ends are different, so grab the correct end. You're going to put it on top. You only go one specific way, and it will click in. Next, go ahead and grab your interface. Again, have the nasal cannula. Go ahead and line it up and just push, and it's that easy. Just like that, we're ready to go. To turn on your machine, you'll press the power button. You may have to hold it for a couple seconds. It'll make a little sound, show Fisher Pie Cow. It may go over the disinfectant stage and last time it was cleaned. Yeah, so just give it a couple seconds. It'll slowly start going. So yeah, last disinfection, the time. So we're actually using my training Airvo right now. Once you see the loading screen, you can press your mode button. It's going to put you on temperature. We have a lock. To unlock it, you hold the up and down for 5 seconds, and now we can see it unlocked it. You can do 37 degrees Celsius, 34, and 31. Once you want to lock it in, you press your mode button again, and if you press it one more time, it's going to put you on flow. After that, it's going to show you your FiO2. Now, if you'd like to raise the FiO2 or percentage of oxygen, we have our concentrators. And naturally, with high flow, you guys want to connect a humidifier bottle. For this case, please do not do it. You will also need your Y connector, and of course actually there you go, it looks just like that. And we'll also need your 7-foot oxygen tubing. Hopefully it looks a little better than mine. Again, this is my training tubing. Okay, so I have a 10 liter and a 5 liter concentrator. They're on separate wall outlets. I went ahead and turned this concentrator on. We see some lights. Now from here, it's really important to set your liter flow before any tubing's here. So for this one, we're gonna set to 9 liters. And make sure the ball is directly in the middle. Next machine, we'll go ahead and turn on as well. It's gonna make a little alarm sound, and then our lights should be green. Let's take a look. There we go. Now let's go to our flow meter, and let's go ahead and put this on 4 liters. So again, the ball should be directly in the middle. Now that our liter flow is set, we can connect our Y connector. And we do this because there's gonna be some back pressure. So that's why you set your concentrator up first. And same thing with your Christmas tree, make sure it's nice and firm when you push in. And same thing if it was an oxygen outlet port. And so now it's going to our Y, and next up, you called it, we need our 7-foot oxygen tubing. One end will go into our Y connector, the other end is gonna go directly into my Airvo. And if you needed a specific FiO2, I have a little cheat sheet that I'll show you as well. It makes it really easy to know what this machine can deliver. Okay, so just like that, it's on. Now our other end of the 7-foot tubing goes right here on this inlet. Just make sure you push firmly. It's gonna give you a little loading symbol, and now your analyzer is determining the FiO2. After a couple minutes, it should give you a check mark, letting you know your settings are set. To wake up your machine, you'll press your mode button, and from here you can change your temperature and flow. You cannot change the FiO2 through here. That is determined by your oxygen concentrators. Let's go over some basic information again. That's your mode button, of course your up-down arrows. Top left button, that is your alarm to silence, and your on-off button. Again, this is your chamber, and you're gonna have to take it in and out quite often, so you're gonna have to show some dexterity to do that. Just make sure you push down on your collar. This machine is extremely quiet without supplemental oxygen. This was how to set up my Airvo. Stay tuned for troubleshooting and bonus points if you know what this is. Thank you.